In this episode, we continue our story on the Tasman Peninsula. Our plan is simple. We'll walk easy tracks, spend time near the water and head out onto the ocean. This part of Tasmania offers a lot without asking too much. Good paths, clear views, stunning landscapes and wildlife, and plenty of places to stop and look around. A little bit excited this morning. We're off on a 3-hour boat ride along the coast of the Tasman Peninsula. Are you excited, Ryan?
I am.
We should see some seals. Hopefully we'll see one of my favourite birds, the albatross. Could be some dolphins. You know, what else is there out there? Whale. No, I think it might be a bit late in the season for whales. But in the last week or so, I believe they've seen them. It's interesting, if it was a cold morning, you'd be quite happy to wear all these layers of clothing, but oh my goodness, it's a warm morning this morning, so it feels a little bit overkill, but I'm pretty sure when we get in that boat, we'll be glad of the layers. There is so much to see on this peninsula, and so we spend time visiting land-based hotspots such as the Tasman Arch, the Devil's Kitchen, the blowhole at Pirates Bay, and enjoying fish and chips from the luscious van at the Fossil Bay Lookout car park. This is a tourist mecca, and there is a reason for it. There is so much to see within a short distance of each other. And you know what? For the gentle adventurist, it is perfect. Built a tunnel under the road here with little penguins.
Oh.
Because apparently they were crossing the road at night to get across to their nesting ground on this other side of the beach here, and they were getting skittled by cars, so they actually built a tunnel and they put a fence line along the beach so that the birds can't come up and cross the road here. Amazing. Tessellated pavement lends itself to such special photography because there's lots of reflections. Even when the sun's quite high, you get the water reflecting, or the sky reflecting in the water, I should say. That was really good. Also drive further afield and visit places such as Roaring Beach. This is Roaring Beach. It's very roary already. But our favourite spots are Carnarvon Bay, because it's simply beautiful, and Cape Magnon Lookout, including Remarkable Cave. In fact, we make 2 night trips out to Cape Magnon Lookout, chasing views of the southern aurora. On one drive home, we spot a wild Tassie devil attempting to cross the road. No footage, of course, but we were just as excited to see it. The wildlife sightings are off the charts. You don't even have to leave the caravan park to interact with the wildlife. Sadly, I have a grim discovery on another day trip. This is an incredibly sad sight. Look away if you can't bear deceased animals. Tassie devil has been part of roadkill. We can't recommend this peninsula highly enough. It is not that far from Hobart. The roads are relatively easy to drive with a van in tow. In fact, probably a little bit better than what we have experienced in other places. Definitely put this peninsula on your list. You really don't want to miss it. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Press the like button and leave a comment.